So, another thing mga day, I just wanted to introduce to you are real fresh calamansi juice. So, ang amo yung gihimoan ni day is real calamansi fruit juice. I don't know, it's a fruit or juice, what, citrus, I don't know. Basta kalamansi gini siya day. So, mao na nga kung walay naay bagyo, magigisod jud mig produce og mga kalamansi because most of the kalamansi coming here in Cebu is from Mindanao. So, na-notice na ako mga day because I've tried tasting other calamansi juice in the market ba. Makita nimo kay kanang pale siya gamay and then just check. Pale siya gamay day niya. Pag ano niyo day kay na ay mga particles magtundag-tundag mga day. So, you don't know how it's kanang being made jud ba. When you see ours, wala kay makit-on mga day. It's very clean. Tapos translucent. Kung in mo iana sa light, it's translucent. Walay nang lutaw, walay mo tundag, walay mo lutaw because when you see others, then naay mo float ng murag powder thing because some maybe they're adding powdered calamansi powder. So para makabarato sila. Though ang amo is a little bit cost efficient because this is real calamansi juice. You can really get a vitamin C out of this. Kaya mo juning gipiga og tarong day, we're actually using a nice nga mga kuan kanang gamit para hygienic gid siya. So pag inom nimo day mataste gid wala kay matastan nga pait, real citrus fruit, yun kalamansi gid imuhang ma-feel. And then we are also putting honey and some other secret ingredients, and to add it into it, we did not put any preservative. So, you try this. This is already available in the market but not so many pa because we are still introducing the product. But pag makasulay mo day, di mo magmahay. Very yummy and very healthy.